here in case of forward bias condition, in case of, so here it is an important point, in case of forward bias condition, the characteristics of a silicon or a semiconductor diode, okay, silicon or a semiconductor diode, any diode will shifted to left, okay, shifted to left by at the rate of 2.5 millivolts per degree centigrade, per degree centigrade rise in temperature, okay. So for every degree centigrade rise in the temperature, there is a increment or decrement of 2.5 millivolts is there. So the characteristics will shifted to the left side, okay. Here is the silicon is there, 0.7 volts is there. So as we increase the temperature per degree centigrade, so there is a change in the VI characteristics. So this curve will be shifted to the left side, okay. So example if you consider, then you get clarity, okay. For let us consider for the 25 degrees centigrade. So this is for the 25 degrees centigrade, okay. So this curve is for 25 degree centigrade, okay. So 25 degrees centigrade, we have the voltage as a 0.7 volts, right, okay. So here is the 0.7 volts. For the 0.7 volts, 25 degrees, the we cut in voltage as a 0.7 volts, okay. For let us consider for 100 degree centigrade rise in temperature. 100 degree rise in temperature is nothing but a 100 plus 125 for the 125 degrees rise in the temperature. Means if you increase the temperature to 100 degree centigrade, so what is the value of the voltage, okay. So for 25 degrees, the value is 0.7 volts, okay. For 100 degrees, so 2.5 into millivolts, 2.5 millivolts for 1 degree. So there is a 0.7 volts. So there is a 2.5 degree per degree centigrade rise in the temperature, okay. Per degree centigrade rise in the temperature, so there is a 2.5 millivolts increment or decrement. So as we increase the temperature, so there is a decrement of this 2.5 millivolts, okay. So for 100 degrees centigrade, so we need to multiply this with 2.5, okay. For 1 degree, there is a 2.5 millivolts, okay. For 100 degrees, this is how much, okay. So here is the question, so we need to cross multiply it. So we get the as a 100 into 2.5 divided by 1 degree centigrade, okay. So for this one we get as a 0.25 volts, right, 2.5, so 100, so we get as a 250. So here it is a millivolts, convert it into volts, so we get the value as a 0.25 volts. So for 25 degrees, so there is a 0.7 volts, okay. But so as we know that for forward bias condition, the characteristics are shifted to left side, okay. So there is a 0.7 volts over here. So this 0.7 volts minus 0.25 volts, this 0.25 volts due to the increment of temperature, okay. So this 0.7 minus 0.25 volts gives rise to a 0.45. So this curve, whatever is the curve is there, that will be shifted to the left side by the voltage of 0.45, okay. So let us consider here it is a 0.45. So the curve moves like this one, Okay, so for this silicon, for the 125 degree centigrade. Okay, so as you increase the temperature to 100 degrees, so here it is a 25 degrees, so here becomes a 125 degree centigrade. So the cut in voltage for this diode is nothing but a 0.45 voltage as we increase the temperature. Okay, so here is the increment of temperature. Okay, now we go for the